Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now if you are unable to download any apps or games from Microsoft Store, or you are unable to update any apps or games on Microsoft Store, then I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix this error code, which is 0x80070032, and this error message is actually for Microsoft Store error. So if you are receiving this error while updating Windows 10, then this troubleshooting will not help you, but this troubleshooting actually is for Microsoft Store error. So the error message is like this. Now in order to fix this problem, you have to first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. And on the top right you will see your profile. So click on your profile, then click on sign out, and then again click on this sign in option, and then click on sign in, select your account, then click on continue, enter the PIN or password whatever you see on the page. So just enter your PIN or password and then try downloading or updating the game or apps on Microsoft Store. If that does not resolve the problem, then run the Windows Store troubleshooter. To run the Windows troubleshooter, open settings, go to update and security, click on troubleshoot, now once you click on troubleshoot, scroll down, and on the bottom you should see Windows Store apps. Click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter. It will go ahead and identify the problem and it will go ahead and fix it for you. Then you can go ahead and try downloading or updating your apps from Microsoft Store. Now in case this does not resolve, then you have to clear the store cache using WS reset command. So WS reset command, you can type this command in Windows search box. Just type in WS reset and then make a right click, then click on run as administrator, and you will see a black screen on over here. Now once you see the black screen, you have to wait. So in few seconds the black screen will go away and the Microsoft Store will pop up on the screen. Okay, now you can see the black screen is gone and you can see the Microsoft Store on the screen. Now you can go ahead and use the Microsoft Store. In case that does not resolve the problem, then update Windows 10. This is one of the important step. So go to the start menu, click on settings, go to home, click on update and security over here, and then click on check for updates and let the update complete, download and install it, and then restart your computer and then use the Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to update apps on Microsoft Store. So update the Microsoft Store apps. So whatever apps you are having trouble with, like when you're trying to update that particular app and it's not updating, you're receiving that error message, then in that case update that particular app. So click on these three dots on the right, on the top right, and then go to download and updates, and go to installed option over here. So if that game or apps is already installed on your computer, then you can go ahead and update it. You can go to the downloads option and then click on get updates over here. Click on get update, let the update complete, then restart your Microsoft Store, and then you can try using the store. Now the next step is to reset store app. So to reset store app, again you have to open the settings, go to the settings, then click on apps, scroll down and find Microsoft Store, and over here click on advanced option, scroll down, you will see the reset option. Now once you reset, let me tell you that this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click on reset. Once the reset is done, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store once again, and you can check if you are receiving that error message or not. In case still you are facing the problem, then run this PowerShell command. So you have to copy this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description, so you can get it from there. So open PowerShell, just type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and you will see Windows PowerShell. Make a right click, click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then paste the command on this PowerShell window and hit the enter key. Let it complete. Once the process is completed, restart your computer and then try using the store. Now if nothing works, then go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Store on your Windows 10 computer. Now to uninstall Microsoft Store, you have to copy this command. The command is in video description. Again, open PowerShell window, make a right click, run as administrator, click on yes, then paste this command. Now over here right now, the Microsoft Store you can see on the taskbar. Now once I hit enter, Microsoft Store will go away from here. It's gone. So it has been uninstalled. Now restart your computer. After you uninstall, then restart your computer from here. Click on restart, and then after the restart, copy this command. This command is also there in video description. Copy this command and again open the PowerShell window. Make a right click, run as administrator, click on yes, and then paste the command and hit the enter key. Now this will bring back Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 computer. Now again type in Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store. And then you can start using it. In case the issue still persists, then you have to run this DISM command. Again you have to type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click, click on run as administrator, then paste this command, hit the enter key, let the scan complete. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the scan. Once the scan is done, restart your computer and then use Microsoft Store. Now this process will take some time, so once the scan is 100%, then you can go ahead and restart your computer and use Microsoft Store. Here you can see it's you can see the percentage. Once this is 100%, then you can start using it. You can restart your computer and start using Microsoft Store. In case the last step is media creation tool, in case nothing works, then the last step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows 10. So for that, open Google Chrome or open any browser, type in media creation tool, click on the Microsoft link which says download Windows 10 disk image, click on it, scroll down, click on download tool now. You have to download this tool. A small exe file will download. You have to click on it to run it, click on yes to allow. Now this will go ahead and update your Windows 10 to the latest version. So whatever is the latest version, right now it's 1909. So this will actually go ahead and download the complete Windows 10 file till the latest version on your computer, and then it will install it on your computer. So let the installation complete, and while installation it will give you an option to, the option will be already selected to keep your personal files and apps. So just make sure that you keep your personal files and app. In that case you will not lose any data on the computer. So do not worry about the data loss. This process will take time because it's a large file. Depending upon the speed of your internet, it will go ahead and download the file, and once that is downloaded, it will go ahead and install it. During the installation there will be an option which will be already checked to keep your personal files and apps. So just make sure that you are not selecting to remove apps and files. So just keep your personal files and apps and nothing will be lost. So do not worry about that. and one of the steps will definitely help you to get rid of this error message. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.